Hello everybody, welcome to Powerhouse Tech and Gaming. How you guys doing today? Let me know down in the comments below how you guys are doing. I'm curious, so why don't you let me know. Today's video, I want to explain to you guys how to create your very own Discord server. You can use it for anything from social media to Twitch streaming to if you're a content creator. With that being said, let's get into the video. So before I get into how to create a Discord server, let me get into why you should create a Discord server. If you're a content creator, whether it's on YouTube, Twitch, Facebook, whatever your platform may be, it allows you to better communicate with your community, whether it's letting them know when new videos or new posts are live, letting them know when you have new merch available, or whatever information you want them to know, as well as it just lets you communicate with them, whether it's privately or publicly, and let them chat amongst themselves about whatever your community is about, whether it's gaming or tech or underwater basket weaving. Whatever it may be, it allows them to communicate better with each other and with you. So with that being said, let's get into the how to make a Discord server. So before we get into the next part of this video, I have a question for you guys. So down below in the comments, let me know, why are you guys trying to make a Discord server? Is it for gaming? Is it for YouTube? Let me know down below what it's for. Also, if you got anything out of this video, please hit that thumbs up button. And if you want to stay up to date on this series, subscribe and turn the bell on. And if you know anybody that could possibly get anything out of this video, please share with them and help me out. Alright, so once you log into Discord, whether you had to create an account or you log into your existing account, it'll pull you up to, if you have a server already made, it'll pull you up to that, or it'll pull you up to a blank friend screen or whatever it might bring you up. I don't remember off the top of my head. But what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go to this plus that'll be on the bottom left side. Click that and it'll bring up the create a server. Now you can create your own server and you can start completely from scratch, or you can actually use one of the templates they gave you, which is actually kind of cool. They didn't actually have this when I created my server initially, so I had to do it all from scratch. For the sake of the video, I'm going to show you guys how to do it with a template. So we're going to go to Artists and Creators and go to Club and Community. Here you're going to put in your server name. I'm just going to put Pow Pow for now, just because it's going to be easier to for me to delete it later when I don't need the server anymore. And you can upload a picture, whatever profile picture you want for your channel, and then create this server. So the next thing you're going to do here is you're going to go through and you can create any other channels you will want besides the ones they give you. So right now they give you a welcome and rules channel where you can post your welcome message to your people, your community, when they're joining the Discord, as well as post the rules that you want them to follow for the Discord. Then you have announcements. So when you post a YouTube video or you go live on YouTube or whatever it may be, you can post it here in the announcements so your server will know that something is new, and then keep an eye on that channel to know when your new stuff comes out. Next thing you have here, you have the text channels, general chat, so you can have general conversations about whatever they feel like it. And then you have events chat, where you can post any events you have coming up or starting soon, or whatever you want it to be. As well as ideas and feedback, where they can post and they can let you know what kind of videos they would like you to make next. Kind of helps you on that video process later on down the line. And then you have the voice channels, which is just a lounge for just a general chat talk to. Then you have community hangout, and you have a stream room, which you can make private later on. I'll show you how to do that. So when you're streaming live, you can have a private channel that you don't have to worry about random people joining you when you don't want them to. So first thing I'm going to show you how to do is create a new text channel. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to hit create channel up here, create a text channel. Now I'm gonna make this a new members channel. I can't type today, huh? Members channel. So when new members come in, you can have it show them in this channel rather than have them pop up in the welcome and rules channel. Here is also where you can make the channel private if you wanted to. If you didn't want anyone seeing it besides certain people, you can do that here as well, but I'm not going to do that right now. I'll show you how to do that later. Create that channel, and then I'm going to show you, and then you do the same thing. I'm going to do another voice channel, so you can do the same thing here. Create channel, go to voice channel. I'm going to name this one AFK. So if someone goes AFK, which is away from controller or away from keyboard, they will go to this channel after a certain amount of time that you depict later on. So you're not going to worry about just someone sitting there in a channel for no reason. Create that channel, and here is also where you can just create any other channels you may want to create for your server. Obviously, you can adjust this as you go, as you come up with ideas to put into the channels. Next thing I'm going to show you to do is hit the down arrow here. Here, you can do a server boost if you want to. This is something you can do. This is a more advanced thing I'll show you guys in another video. But first I'm going to show you guys in this video is an invite. How to make an invite link for your, whether it's your Twitch stream or your YouTube videos. So you'll click on invite people. This link here that gives you is a 7-day link. So it will expire after 7 days. If you want to create a never-ending link, you go here to edit invite link. Go to expire after and click never. And then you go here and if you only want a certain amount of people to join it, you can click a limit. Sorry. Or you can just go to no limit, which I'm just going to go no limit, and then you hit generate link. And this will be your link. That's a permanent link that you can post into your Discord or whatever you want to post it into to get people to join your server. Exit out of that. Now you go back down to the arrow. I'm going to go into server settings. So first thing it brings you up to is the server overview. Here is where you can change your profile picture, your server name, and your region. And then you also have your inactive channel. This is why I made that AFK channel. So you can then go here and hit AFK and have them go inactive at the 5 minutes if they don't don't touch any keys or talk within the 5 minutes. It'll move them to this channel. And then when they come back, you know they're actually back because they'll move themselves back into the channel. And then system messages, which is why this here is where I created the new members section, because you'll then have the welcome message for new people pop up in this channel. So next, I'm going to show you guys how to create roles for your server. So first thing you're going to do is click on roles, go to create a role. So the first role I'm going to create is a member role. So I'm going to type in member. I'm going to change their color to blue. You can change them to whatever color you would like. By default, Discord gives the members just about all the permissions you want to give them already. What I am going to do differently though is I'm going to click on the display role members separately from online members. So what this allows is if you give someone the member's role, it changes their color on Discord and separates them from other roles. So you can scroll through, you can click anything you want to give members to do. I'm going to leave mine exactly the same because it's pretty good for what I'm going to use it for. Hit save changes. Next thing you want to create is a owner role for yourself. So create an owner role. I'm going to make that green. You can make whatever color you want. Display that role separately, and you're going to give yourself every permission because you want to be able to mess with everything on your server. So scroll through, click everything here, and click administrator as well, because it'll allow you to adjust everything you want as well. Next thing you want to do is create a role for your admins, create a role for your mod, whatever you want to do. When you create that role, you're going to want to give them basically the same permissions you give yourself, because they're basically going to be you when you're not around. I make admins red just because that's just every server I've been on has always been red. So you're going to want to check them, everything off, so they can do whatever they want. So now, once you go through, make all your roles that you want, you can actually go to everyone, and you can actually uncheck everything but view channels, because you don't want, so that everyone role is going to be for people who are just joined the server, and you want to make sure you know who's joining your server and whatnot. You don't want just random people joining your server. Obviously, you don't have to do this, but for me and for the fact that I'm going to make a second video giving you guys more advanced tips and settings for Discord, I'm going to do this so I can use this as a default setting for new people until I improve them. So I'm going to go through and unclick everything here. Besides view chat, you want them to be able to at least view the channel. And then hit save changes. So the next thing we got here is we have emojis. If you want, you can upload more emojis. For moderation, you can go here, you can set whatever levels of moderation you want. Basically what this allows is it gives new members a time restraint before they can text in chats. I'm going to leave mine to none because I do want my members being able to talk immediately. It's just easier that way. If you want, you can create a media filter. So you can click on one of these and it will automatically check videos for explicit content. Next, you can look at your audit logs. What basically this allows, it allows you to see who's changed what in your server. Integrations, I'll show you in a separate video, as well as widgets and the template server and enable community. I'll show you this in the advanced video. Server boost status, I will also be showing you guys in the advanced video. That's something you can use to boost your server to more people. So last thing I'm going to show you guys in the settings is user management. Here's where you can look and see all your members in your Discord, as well as all the invite links that were created for your Discord. Here you can also cancel any of those invites, so it'll stop those invite links from being usable. It also here allows you to see who you have banned, as well as let you delete the server if you want to delete the server. So now that that's all done, we're actually going to go back to the main screen. So I have already added one of my friends to the Discord, so I can show you guys how to change roles on your members, as well as how to make a channel private. So first thing you want to do is right click on your name, go to roles, and you want to go to owner. So that's going to make you the color you set owner for and separate you from everybody else. Then you're going to right click on the people in your Discord. You can go to roles and give them the member role. So now that will then change their color as well to separate from everybody else. Now, if you want to change the order of which the people are listed, you can go back to server settings and go to roles, and you just click and drag the role up. I'm going to put owner at top and then members after that, admin after that, so then it's in order from seniority down. So now you go back, you can see that I'm up top and then the member is down below. So now I'm going to show you how to create a private channel and how to allow people to get in it. So I'm going to click here, click create a channel, and I'm going to create a private voice chat. So I'll hit private, and you're going to click on the private channel and hit next. So here you choose what roles you want to allow into this server, to this channel. I'm going to click admins, and if you want to give a specific person permissions, you can then click on that person's name and it'll allow that person specifically to join that channel even if they don't have the necessary role for that channel. So I hit create channel, and now the private channel, I can only get into it and see it, and anyone you have admins can get into it and see it. If you're a member, they actually won't be able to see this channel. So this is where you can put any admin logs you want to put, any type of admin-only chats you can make private and allow only your admins to see. In order to add a permission after the channel is already made, you just hover over the channel and you hit the edit channel gear, and you can actually go here and you can change the name of the channel as well as the permissions for that channel, what you allow to happen in this channel, whether it's connect, you can create an invite for that channel specifically, and you can add roles here to that channel. I'm not going to adjust anything here because you don't really need to, because you already adjusted everything on the inside. So after you finish all that, you can then go back and you basically have your server made. Now, like I said, I am going to make a more advanced video to show you guys how to do the whole community tab, which gives you a lot more ways to organize your community and sort out your different settings for whatever you want the community to be able to do. As well as I'm actually going to show you in another video as well how to use bots to help control your server, as well as automatically post your videos for you and stuff like that.